To record a multisport activity with your Polar Critics Pro, press the lower left button to reach that menu and select Start Training with the right button. Then you can navigate through all of those activities that are available inside the watch, and you will want to navigate up to multisport, which is this one. So once you select it, you will have the choice to select again a sport. So let's say that I will start that one by walking. So I hit start, and the activity is started just like any other normal activity. You can still create a lap right here. You can navigate through all of those tabs you have for that activity, and when you are done with that activity and you want to switch, you will want to press the lower left button. Normally it does a pause, and actually it does a switching time. So let's say that I want a mountain bike. Well, I select that activity. I will have a transition time. That was the term. And yes, I know there's no GPS. I'm inside. Now I have my bike. Information, and when I want to switch sport, I press that button again, and then I can do, let's say, running. So let's go down here. I select that. Transition time was 5 seconds, and the activity keep going with that third sport. And you can switch sport as many times as you want. And when you want to end the activity, you press the lower left button. And now, instead of selecting another sport, if you want to put an end to that activity, you press and hold that lower left button, and the activity is now recorded. Of course, like normal, you can still select to save it or to discard it. So I will discard that one because that was nothing. And we should be back to the main page. There we are. So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please smash the like button. If you are planning to buy this watch, you can see my link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can find me back easily next time you need help. If you want to see my other tutorial about this watch, you can see my playlist just right here, and you can also find me on my main channel just right there. Thank you for watching, take care, and see ya.